Today, we embark on a grand journey through time to explore one of the greatest architectural wonders of ancient Rome, the Colosseum. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian amphitheater, is an iconic amphitheater situated in the heart of Rome. It was built under the rule of Flavian emperors during the prosperous era of the Roman Empire. This monumental structure continues to captivate us with its rich history and remarkable features. Let's start by discussing the incredible materials used to construct the Colosseum. The structure is composed of various elements. Load-bearing pillars and external walls were constructed using Travertine blocks, while the stairs and radial walls were made from sturdy blocks and bricks of tufa. The arches and vaults played a pivotal role in supporting the entire edifice. According to estimates, the colossal amphitheater had the astonishing capacity to accommodate between 50,000 and 80,000 spectators. Just imagine the grandeur of the events that unfolded within these walls, as thousands of Romans gathered to witness unforgettable spectacles. Built during the Flavian dynasty, the Colosseum stands as a testament to the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire. It was commissioned by the emperors Vespasian and Titus, and their vision was to create an unrivaled entertainment venue that would leave a lasting mark on history. The Colosseum is most renowned for its gladiatorial combat. Gladiators, skilled warriors, would face off in intense battles, captivating the audience with their bravery and skill. But the Colosseum was not limited to gladiatorial fights alone. To accommodate the vast number of attendees, the Colosseum featured a meticulously organized ticketing system. Each person entering the amphitheater would possess a ticket that corresponded to a specific entry gate. The ticket also guided them to their designated seating area. The public seating, known as the cavea, was divided into 5 sectors based on social class, with corridors separating them. Beyond gladiatorial combat, the Colosseum hosted a wide array of captivating events. Emperor Vespasian intended it to be a center of entertainment, featuring not only gladiator fights but also animal hunts and even mock naval battles known as nomacheia. The diversity of events held within these walls was truly astounding. In ancient Rome, most amphitheaters were temporary structures made of wood. However, the Colosseum stands as an exception to this norm. Its construction utilized a solid concrete foundation, which has contributed to its remarkable endurance over the past 2 millennia. Contemporary engineers believe that the Colosseum's survival can be attributed to its solid concrete foundation and ingenious engineering. The architects faced a challenging task as they built upon marshy terrain near the Tiber River, characterized by poor soil conditions. To overcome this, they dug a deep and sturdy foundation, stabilizing the structure for centuries to come. During construction, engineers dug 6 meters below the lake bed and a further 4 meters into the clay subsoil, creating an oval-shaped ditch measuring 50 meters wide and 200 meters long. This ditch was then lined with brick and concrete facings, which were 3 meters thick and 6.5 meters high. The concrete was poured to the level of the former lake bed, providing a strong base for the Colosseum's grandeur. Moving on to the interior, the Colosseum's arena floor was made of wood and covered with sand. This allowed for easy cleanup and provided a suitable surface for various spectacles to take place. The upper structure of the Colosseum consisted of 4 levels. The first 3 levels featured 80 arcades adorned with various orders of columns, adding a touch of architectural elegance to the massive amphitheater. The Colosseum's size is truly great. This oval-shaped marvel measures 189 meters long, 156 meters wide, and reaches a staggering height of 50 meters, making it the largest amphitheater in the world. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible age of the Colosseum. It has proudly stood for over 1900 years, witnessing the passage of time and countless historical events. Beneath the arena, the Colosseum had a world of underground passages and rooms. These spaces served as storage areas for wild animals and gladiators, waiting in anticipation before their gripping performances began. The games held within the Colosseum could last for several days, with some even extending to a duration of 100 days. The Romans knew how to entertain their citizens and leave them in awe of these spectacles. However, it's important to acknowledge the darker side of the Colosseum's history. It is estimated that over 400,000 people and more than 1 million wild animals lost their lives during the centuries of games held within these walls. The scale of human and animal suffering is a somber reminder of the past. As with any ancient structure, the Colosseum has endured its share of challenges. Natural disasters and acts of vandalism have taken their toll, resulting in destruction of approximately 2/3 of the original structure. It is the earthquakes of 847 AD and 12,031 AD that have left a lasting mark, shaping the Colosseum's current appearance. Despite the challenges it has faced, the Colosseum continues to stand tall, proudly representing the marvels of Roman engineering and architecture. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our exploration of the Colosseum, an ancient wonder that has captured the imaginations of people worldwide. Join us next time as we dive into more captivating stories from history. Until then, remember to embrace the wonders of the past and keep exploring.